Hi, I'm Aditya from IQ Revolution. I'm going to demonstrate the Guru. It is a product for managing institutions. If you are dealing with students, if you are dealing with faculties, if you have got anything to do with education, if you are conducting classes, if you are holding and giving lectures, then this is a product that you need to manage and to run your institution. This is how the login screen looks like. Now let's log in. This application can work on the internet and off the internet. This application works using web services over the internet. Let's log in using local area network, which is LAN. Let me log in. This is the login screen. This is how the application is loading. It takes about 3 to 10 seconds for the application to load. This is the main screen of IQ Revolution's software application. This software application is integrated with web camera, barcode. It is also integrated with Outlook. From this application, we can have a central email management system. We can send SMS messages and can keep all the records of the communications that are done with the clients or with the students or with the faculties. It also has the features to generate reports. It uses Crystal Reports to generate reports. Now let's focus on the main components of this application. It has got menus on the left hand side. This is the menu section. It can be scrolled inside, it can be minimized or it can be maximized. Then it has got utility, which is located in the top section. Utilities have home. It has got some of the major components of offices which can be triggered from this place. It has got some extra features. Skins can be changed from here. Like, let's change the skin to Money Twins. We can also change it back to the black. This application can work on the internet and it can also work in local area network. It is integrated with SMS features, which means from this application the user can send SMS messages. It has a search feature which enables the user to do some custom advanced search. Password can be changed from this place. Barcodes can be scanned just by clicking on this button here, and this is the exit button. The third component of this application is in the center, which is the detailed view. Whenever a menu or a submenu is clicked on the left hand side, the details of that submenu can be seen in the grid in the center. On double clicking on a record in the grid, the details of that particular grid or of that particular record can be viewed in the detailed screen.